Are you also waiting for the perfect moment to start something? Don't. Honestly, there will never be a perfect moment, a perfect way, a perfect idea. Just jump in and learn as you go. So, this is me jumping in right now. The sun is gone, the wind is picking up, I can see the camera shaking, but I'm going for it. Anyway, this is the very first video for my channel. My name is Lu. I'm a 61-year-old artist, and here I want to share some ideas about art, creativity, and my daily life working and living in this magical place with all its blessings and its challenges, real life, guys. By the way, we are at the beautiful Jurerê beach in the south of Brazil. If this resonates with you, you're more than welcome here. I really hope you join me so I can see you in the next video. For now, I will just let you soak in the vibes of this amazing place for a moment. Bye, guys.